Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to give you a demo of this 15-inch pressure washer surface cleaner attachment equipped with wheels. Let's get right into it. Alright, so first up, I'm going to clean the front of my house using this bad boy. One thing I've noticed, going slow gives better results. The slower I go, the cleaner the surface gets. It's got 3 wheels, so moving it around isn't much of a hassle. I can easily glide it across the surface. Let's talk about the attachment's design a bit. It's pretty straightforward, 15-inch diameter and about 3.9 inches in height. It's got this flexible bristle skirt that kind of shields the areas next to where I'm cleaning, so water doesn't splash everywhere. It's really helpful if I don't want to make a big mess. Another useful feature is the quick connect fitting at the end of the wand. It's a 1/4 standard quick connect, making it easy to attach and detach from the pressure washer. When you're in the middle of a cleaning spree, every second counts, so the quick connect really saves time. Now, if you're wondering what happens if the nozzles get clogged, don't worry. The package also includes 2 additional replacement nozzles. That's great because, sometimes stuff gets stuck and you need to switch them out. Just a heads up, if you do get a clog, a needle usually does the trick to remove any debris. Also, rinse it with fresh water afterward. If you're looking to cover a large area like driveways, patios, or even walls, this thing is quite efficient. I mean, you could use a normal spraying nozzle, but I've found that this surface cleaner speeds up the job. It's pretty good for large areas. One more thing before I wrap up. The working pressure for this cleaner goes up to 3600 psi. That's powerful, but always keep the pressure in mind to avoid any damage to delicate surfaces. Now I'm going to leave you with more of me cleaning my house.